Hi friends, I'm Anna Helman and I'm back with a quick tip. Today we are going to look at how to tie a perfect bow using a really fun trick using your hand, using two of your fingers to tie the bow around. Let's take a look at it. I made these adorable ladybug cards recently and I decided that I wanted to tie a bow to add onto this one. So here is how we are going to do it. We need about a foot or 15 inches of ribbon, and we are going to start by holding the left piece between my thumb and my forefinger so a little flap hangs out right there. We're going to wrap it behind my middle finger and my index finger and bring it back around to the front. At this point, we are putting it down here in between those two fingers. So it's going under this piece and through to where I can pull it through from the back. At this point, we bring it straight back through, up and over, and we have the long flap right here in the front center. We still have that small flap out to the right. What we are going to do at this point is bring it over here to the side, and this one needs to go around and behind, and we're bringing the end of this flap through the center of that loop that you see right now. So bring that down and through. And at this point, we basically just have to tighten it. So at this point, you can do a little fidgeting. You can drag the center to the left or to the right. And you want to make sure that those loops are even in size. Once it looks nice and even, just pull tight, tighten everything up, and you can slip that off of your fingers. If it doesn't look quite right, the reason is because we're looking at the back side. You want to flip that around to the front, and you want to trim off your ends, but with a little bit of practice, you will have a perfect bow. So let's trim off the ends here, and we will get this added onto this cute little card. Glue dots are my favorite tool for adding bows to cards. You don't have to wait for any glue to dry. They are fantastic. And here you can see that adorable bow that we tied. Different bow tying tricks work for different people. You have to try this one out and let me know in the comments how it works for you. Thanks so much for being here. Make sure you're subscribed if you want to see my future tip videos. I hope you have a blessed day, and I hope you'll be back again next time when I'll be here helping you to hand make with love.